All right, so in today's lesson, we'll learn about how to we'll understand negative numbers. Well, there's reason, well, not really reason why I have not been posting since November 30th. I don't really know. I wasn't really in the mood. I you can call me lazy. I was like not in the mood of like posting nothing on December, but we're back again on January 11th, the time that I'm recording this, January 11th. So we're gonna understand what negative numbers are. So a negative number, why is this so big? A negative number is just basically a number that's below zero. So here we have decreased by five. We can call the negative number like this. We can put the minus sign for the numbers. We have minus two, which is negative two. Minus three, just negative three, and we just put the minus sign because the before the minus sign just means zero, right? Zero minus three, zero minus two, negative three. We're gonna learn how to subtract positive or negative numbers later in seventh grade. Right now, let's just learn what a negative number is. So a negative number is a number below zero. So here, zero minus two, negative two. This is below zero. It's two below zero. Here, negative three is three below zero. So we call those negative numbers. Numbers below zero. Next lesson, we're gonna learn how to use your number lines to get a better presentation of them. But we're just gonna do negative numbers. Here says decrease by five. So we have to name them. We're gonna have to like write the number by the sentence. So decrease by five. So first we're gonna look at the keyword decrease. Decrease means to go lower, or decrease in some words means different ways, but decrease means to lose, right? Well, yeah. So if we decrease something, we lose it. So we're gonna lose or drop down by five. So you put the negative sign by five. It's like you decreased 5 feet, right? You decreased 5 inches. We have that negative five there, representing the number of feet or inches or I don't know. I'm not thinking hard enough right now, but I just say inches. You let's say you lost 5 inches, right? Or you decreased by 5 inches. So if you were 6 foot, I don't know who loses 5 inches, but if you were 6 foot seven, subtract that by like a foot, like 5 inches, and get 6 foot 2. So you're 6 foot 2 now. It's kind of tall either way. I don't really know why he would be complaining if you lose 5 inches. I'd be complaining if I did. But 6 foot 2, 6 foot and 2 inches. Okay. So we know that decrease by five means minus five or negative five. So later in seventh grade, you have to call this a negative number or negative. You can't just be calling it minus five. All right, here we're gonna give us a common sense. We have the keyword negative. So we're okay. So say I know this is negative number. I know there's going to be a minus sign in front of it. Negative. If they're gonna here, we're gonna have a six. Put on the six, and we have a negative six. Easy enough. Today's just a brief lesson of what negative numbers are. Here is a question for you. Lost 3 points. And also, I want to add a bonus question. Write this number using a story sentence. Like I say, I lost 7 points. Whatever. Just write a sentence using this number as well. Don't use what I just said. Um, use this number to write a sentence. Okay. Don't use example. Just saying. Don't use example. I lost 7 points. All right. Now, just write the number according to the sentence, and then write your own sentence for the number. So I lost 7 points. No, okay, don't use that, but like